But if the foundation, let's say a foundation sunk 4 inches, that's usually not, if it's the foundation, that's usually not a safety issue structurally. But if you have gas lines and electrical lines attached to that foundation, who knows what kind of stresses can be on them. There's a question of a crack and you decide during the buying process to just have a contractor out. Chances are, no matter what that crack is, it can be the most benign thing in the world, they're going to quote $30,000 to $50,000 for a repair. There's no diagnosis or assessment. It's a quote. And the way you check permits, just so you know, is like the best way to do it is use the Google, and you're going to type something like residential permit Carroll County or wherever you are. Any foundation crack that goes below ground is 100% a water concern. The question is it a structural concern? So anytime you find a foundation crack, sealing it just at the top on the outside is waste of time. You need to either seal it below ground from the outside, but usually the inside is the cheap one, because taking off drywall is still easier than digging down 6 feet and sealing a crack.